Right, so the last session today was with two experts, Pascal Finette and Jeffrey Rogers. Their session was really interesting, and it was about rapid prototyping, so failing fast and often. And so this whole idea of don't create something in isolation and then take it to the world and see if anyone likes it, but it was more about, whatever the idea is, it doesn't matter what it is, just draw it on a piece of paper, go out, talk to a lot of people about it, and then come back and then reiterate and then do the same thing. And one example they gave, which was really cool, was one of them used to work at eBay, and they wanted to understand like this they thought the checkout process when it came to selling DVDs had an issue. And so they started bringing in customers, and they were telling them, hey, why don't you go on eBay and buy some DVDs, and we want to understand what the issue is, until one of the customers tells them, you're asking the wrong question. And so the next person that comes in, this other person who was meant to be, one of the customers that was involved in the experiment, tells this other person that comes in and says, go online and buy a DVD. And so the person goes online to Amazon and they buy a DVD. And then these guys go in and they're like, hey, what's up? You were in the eBay office. When we asked you to go buy a DVD, why did you go to Amazon? And the customer then tells them, do you even sell DVDs? And so they were talking about how, they were so focused on fixing the checkout process, where the problem was the customers didn't even know eBay sold DVDs. So don't assume, always test, always ask, and always ask the right questions. That was my biggest takeaway.